Hey everybody, Guy in a Cemetery here. Today we're at the Kelly Street Historic Jewish Cemeteries. This cemetery was actually established in 1858, and it looks like it's one big cemetery, but it's actually 8 small cemeteries that have kind of grown together to make one big cemetery. Back in the 1880s, when Jewish immigrants started making their way to Indianapolis, they all kind of started burying their loved ones here. So there are Russian Jews here, Hungarian Jews, Polish Jews. They're all buried here in these various smaller cemeteries. So we're going to take a look around today. It's a really beautiful cemetery. I'm amazed at how close together the tombstones are, the plots. They're all very close together, and you'll see that as we walk around today. But the tombstones are beautiful. There's some really unique ones, so let's go take a look around. This actually looks intentional. You have 2 slots here, so maybe it's a husband and wife, and this kind of represents their being bound together even in the afterlife. I'm not sure. It's the first time I've seen something like this with the stone on top, kind of linking the 2 stones together. So here you can see another one of the markers, one of the 8 separate cemeteries that are within this larger cemetery. It looks like they each kind of have their own gate, that sort of thing, just to kind of differentiate between them. And it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go hide under a tree. So, when you go to a cemetery, I know that people have a lot of customs, things that they do when they're at a cemetery. You might have noticed the rocks on top of the tombstones. So that's a custom. When I was younger, my mom used to tell me to not walk on the graves out of respect. So do you do that? I have to say I do it sometimes, but sometimes I will cut through and maybe inadvertently walk over a grave, or step over a grave in that way. But I just try to be respectful. I think that's the most important thing when you're visiting your local cemetery. Just be respectful and remember that there are humans buried under all these stones, and you would want them to be respectful of you. I would actually love to hear what customs you have when you're visiting a cemetery, things that you do each time. Leave a comment below if there's something that you do that I don't, something you think I should do. I'd love to hear it. It's raining again, so I'm going to cut this video a little short today. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe below. Let me know some cemeteries that you like to tour, and I would love to hear about them. Leave some comments down below. And it looks like somebody called the police on me, so we'll go talk to the police officers who were told there's a guy in the cemetery. On the south side of Indianapolis. No, that's not right.